Ever wondered why a crypto project's token price doesn't immediately drop to zero after its initial launch? It's all thanks to something called a vesting schedule and token unlocks. Let's dive into what this means for Newton Protocol, or NEWT, and what's on the horizon. What are vesting schedules and token unlocks? Imagine a company giving its employees shares of stock. They don't get all the shares at once. Instead, they get them over time, maybe with a 1-year cliff period before any are released, and then the rest are distributed monthly over the next few years. This is vesting. It's a way to ensure long-term commitment. In crypto, vesting schedules work similarly. They are a predetermined timeline for when a project's tokens are released from a locked state. Tokens are typically allocated to different groups like the core team, early backers, and the community. The vesting schedule dictates the rules for releasing these tokens, while a token unlock is the specific event on that schedule when a batch of tokens is released and becomes available on the market. This process is crucial for preventing a massive sell-off right after a token launch, which could crash the price. It controls the circulating supply and helps maintain a more stable market. Newton's vesting schedule and upcoming unlocks. Newton Protocol has a total supply of 1 billion NEWT tokens. According to their tokenomics, about 21.5% of the total supply is currently unlocked and in circulation. The remaining tokens are locked up and will be released over time. For Newton, most of their allocations are released using a cliff vesting mechanism. This means a set waiting period must pass before a large chunk of tokens is released all at once, creating a significant supply event. For example, some allocations for core contributors have a cliff mechanism. The next major unlock for Newton is scheduled for September 24, 2025. These tokens are allocated to the On-Chain Ecosystem Growth Fund. This fund, along with others like the On-Chain Ecosystem Development Fund and the Foundation Treasury, is designed to support the long-term health and growth of the Newton ecosystem. It's important to remember that these unlocks can introduce new selling pressure on the market. Historically, Newton has experienced moderate volatility in the days following a token unlock. However, the exact impact depends on various market conditions and who is receiving the unlocked tokens. The full unlock schedule for Newton extends all the way into 2029, so we're still very early in its journey. The gradual release of the remaining tokens will be a key factor to watch as the project continues to develop. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.